Hello, my name is Juan Luna, and I am doing this tablet project for my accounting course. Um, we were given a lot of data about this insurance corporation, how to sort through it, and make this interactive dashboard. As you can see, I have sales by region, sales per salesperson, sales by state, a map that details the sales, but it just serves as a better visual. The average sale per state, sales by insurance type. And so from the beginning we could go by sales by region. The northeast region is the highest with 9,763,084, and then New England is the lowest with 5,071,486. We go to sales by state. New Jersey is the highest with 1,145,345. And then in last place is Massachusetts with 802,239,000. Then if we go to the average sales per state, we see that New York is the highest with the average premium at 828.1. And then we go to Connecticut with 630.5. And then we see in second place New Jersey with $827 per premium, which could explain why they're probably the highest sale per state. Then we go sales per salesperson, and we see Peter at 3,720,581. Then Chrissy, $2,494,686. And then lastly, we go to sales by insurance type, which is professional, is the most at 18,052,717, followed by life, 3,496,887. And a trend that I see was the states with the highest premium are the ones with the most sales, and the ones that have the least amount of dollar amount of sales are the ones that have the lower premium. Same thing with the region. There's certain regions that have higher premiums, that's why they have higher dollar sales, and they also have more of the more expensive premium, which is like in the northeast right here, and then cheaper ones in other states. And then the salespersons with the highest are the ones within those areas. So that is all for my Tableau project. Thank you.